there! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the wonders of science and the human body. Ever wonder why your blood type is different from your friends? Or why blood types even matter in the first place? Let's dive into the fascinating world of blood groups and how scientists figure out who's got what. It's a journey through biology, genetics, and a bit of chemistry. First off, there are four main blood groups: A, B, AB, and O. These groups are part of the ABO blood group system, which is the most important blood type system in human blood transfusion. These groups are determined by the presence or absence of specific antigens on the surface of your red blood cells. Antigens are molecules that can trigger an immune response if they are foreign to the body. Think of antigens as little flags that tell your body, "Hey, this is me." They help your immune system recognize which cells belong in your body and which don't. Your immune system uses these flags to recognize which cells belong in your body and which don't. If it detects cells without the right flags, it will attack them, thinking they are invaders. Now, why do we have different blood types? It's all about genetics. Your blood type is inherited from your parents, just like your eye color or hair type. You inherit your blood type from your parents. Each parent passes down one of two alleles, which combine to determine your blood type. These alleles can be A, B, or O. Each parent passes down one of two alleles, which combine to determine your blood type. For example, if you inherit an A allele from one parent and an O allele from the other, you will have type A blood. It's kind of like a genetic lottery. The combination of alleles you receive from your parents determines your blood type. But how do doctors figure out your blood type? It's actually pretty cool. They use a method called blood typing, which involves mixing your blood with different antibodies. They use a method called blood typing. This process involves taking a small sample of your blood and mixing it with antibodies against type A and type B blood. First, a small sample of your blood is mixed with antibodies against type A and type B blood. If your blood cells stick together when mixed with either antibody, that means you have that antigen on your cells. If your blood cells stick together when mixed with either antibody, that means you have that antigen on your cells. This reaction is called agglutination. For example, if your blood agglutinates with anti-A antibodies, you have type A blood. But wait, there's more. There's also something called the Rh factor. Which can be either positive or negative. The Rh factor is another antigen that can be present on the surface of your red blood cells. So you could be a positive, a negative, B positive, and so on. The combination of your ABO blood type and your Rh factor gives you your complete blood type. The Rh factor is another antigen. And just like the ABO antigens, it can cause your immune system to react if it encounters foreign blood. This is why it's important to match both the ABO and Rh types during blood transfusions. Understanding blood groups is super important, especially for things like blood transfusions. If you receive blood with different antigens than your own, your immune system might attack the new blood cells, which can be dangerous. If you receive blood with different antigens than your own, your immune system might attack the new blood cells, which can be dangerous. This is why blood typing is crucial before any transfusion. So next time you donate blood or hear about blood transfusions, you'll know exactly what's going on behind the scenes. Isn't science amazing? The more we understand about our bodies, the better we can take care of them. Got questions about your blood type? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and help answer any questions you might have. And if you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cool science videos. Catch you next time. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science with us.